middle school. We have 2 more videos, and today we have a question. I have a question for you. Which figure of these 3 figures has the same area as figure A? Now we've got 2 rectangles, which are pretty easy to find their area. We have, this one has 3 units on this side. It has 6 units on the top, and we know that the base times the height of this would be 18. We can just count them up: 6, 12, and 18. So we have 18 units squared for C. Oh, D's pretty easy. We've got a 4 on one side, we have 6 on the other side, so we have 4 times 6, 6, 12, 18, and 24 units squared, because we have 4 times 6 and 3 times 6. So pretty simple to find the area of the rectangles at the bottom. But what we need to find out is, does B, C, or D have the same area as A? I want you to pause the video and see if you can figure that out on your own. So what did you come up with? Yeah, you probably noticed that B is 4 units wide here, and A is 3 units wide here. So it's pretty clear that B is going to be a little bit bigger than A. So we know for sure that B is just going to be out of the question. It's a little bit bigger than A is, just by glancing at it there, by comparing its area. Now, how about C or D? Well, let's look at A and see if we can figure it out by looking at A. What are the figures that you see? When you look at A, what figures can you see that you know you can figure out? Well, let's do a little experiment here. What if I were to slice up figure A a little bit? What if I were to just make a line there and a line there? What do you notice about that? Yeah, we notice that we have a rectangle right in the middle here. A 3 by 6 rectangle. And what are the other pieces? We've got 2 triangles. Well, if I were to take this triangle, I could just pretty evenly just make another copy of it right there. And if I were to copy that triangle and bring it down, what do I have here? I've got the same triangle. And 2 triangles make a rectangle, or make a parallelogram if we don't have right triangles. So if I were to just take this off, cross that off, and move it down here, I now have a 4 by 6 rectangle. And which one of these 2 rectangles match that top figure? That's right, D. D is our answer. We can take any figure apart. We can take figures apart as long as they are made of lines. As long as they don't have any circles in them. If you've got a circle, you're going to be getting to that in 7th grade. But in 6th grade, as long as we have lines, straight lines, we can find the area of those figures. You can practice it on your own on campus today.